Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bagailage 2024. Your pellet mill has blocked while producing pellets.
Paddy cultivation in Sri Lanka, organic versus agrochemical methods.
Vietnam is forecast to enjoy another successful year of rice exports.
Export prices of Indian rice have been high due to strong demand.
BASF and Cargill further expand their partnership to offer high-performance enzyme solutions to animal protein producers in the United States.
Brazil's JBS says beef consumption in China will increase.
Research finds consumers crave healthier indulgence in the bakery aisle.
Let's talk on smart agriculture and innovation held at BAU.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
IOM Euro-Asia Conference and Expo, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.